controls for it.
All right.
You know, Sport Plus, traction control has to be all the way off.
All right. And what about does that leave stability on as well? Or?
No, so stability is all
So we have to be straight for this one, completely dead straight.
In my opinion, though, I've done launch controls when it's really cold. I've actually done launch controls when there's snow a little bit on snow.
Really? And this thing still grips?
It grips.
Yep.
It grips really nice. I just don't know if it's Porsche. Just I don't know. Their engineering for the launch control is perfect.
Right. Okay.
I don't know if you've launch controlled any other Porsche.
Nope.
But
No.
They're really something else.
Really? Okay.
So,
Cool. Cool. So we'll wait for our little window. I think it's a quiet day. Not many people want to be out in this kind of weather. So
this is typically busy when it's a weekday, but
right. Cool. Got a bit of a window too. All right, foot on brake.
Yep, foot all the way down on the brake, and then foot all the way down the gas.
And ready?
Yep.
Oh my God. Yikes.
It's kind of crazy.
It's crazy. So I don't know what that was. I don't think we hit 60. We're a bit on a slower road, so let's keep it a little under. But I tell you, whew, that was a ride.
The launch controls are pretty insane.
Yeah. So this for the turbo, this will launch in 2.6 seconds, right?
2.8.
2.8. Okay.
Turbo S is
2.6. Okay. Very cool. Wow. And this has like 670 horsepower, 620 torques.
Yep. 620 torque, 670 horsepower.
Wow.
Turbo S is you're looking at 705.
Really?
650 pounds of torque.
That's unbelievable.
So.
Unbelievable.
They also made not limited editions, but they're very limited to come across a Turbo S.
Yep.
They only made about 900.
Which is nice, to be honest though, 'cause if you own a Turbo S, you're like, I'm unique. And that's the thing with Porsche, like with a lot of Porsche models, is like they do like to make those, you know, limited run.
productions.
Right.
That's why
Yeah.
the secondary market for Porsches are crazy.
Yep.
So even from classic Porsches to brand new Porsches, they sell over 60 every time.
Right. Turning radius is not bad, I would say. Not the best.
Better than a Panamera. I'll tell you
Right.
that.
Yeah. Well, anyway, guys, that was a little bit of a launch control look. We're gonna return back to the dealership, but overall, this thing is sweet. So I'll end the video there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.